Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to put together our geometrical gift bag. Included in your packaging you have your die and then full instructions on the inside. To start off with, you want to cut out the outside panel 2 times. Once you have these panels, I would suggest using your scoreboard to go over all the scores to make sure that they're nice and burnished. I've done this with one panel already, and then my second panel I've used the cut-in detail dies to cut in this fantastic pattern into the front panel, and I've also scored it with my scoreboard. Then I'm going to add tape to the tabs. You want to add tape, there is a side tab, bottom edge tab, and then you want to add tape to one of the tabs, so I've added it to the bottom tab. With the front panel we're going to cut this tab away and we're going to add tape to the reverse. Like so. To put your bag together, we're going to first attach the panels together. You can do this by laying your dies next to each other and then sticking them together there. Then we'll do the same on the other side. And we'll stick this panel together. Then on the bottom of your box you will have these 2 side panels which we're going to remove our tape from. And then we're going to remove the tape from the end panel that we have on this side, and we're going to stick this down together. We're just going to place our tab through the bottom there, and then using the inside we can make sure that that is all stuck down to each side. Then the panel that we added tape to before, we'll just stick that over nice and neatly. Like so. And that is how to put together your geometrical gift bag. Included in your gift bag, you also get some quite cool elements. You get a tag which you can decorate with the same geometrical pattern, and you get this fantastic bow. I'm going to show you how to make the bow, and we can add it to the front of our bag. You want to take the larger section and curl the edges around. Then I've added tape to the center, and you just want to add stick these tabs down onto that central panel, like so. Once you have done this, you get this small tab which is scored at 2 edges, and then you can just use your tape to glue this around and hide the middle section where we have just added tabs too. Once this is all stuck in place, we can then stick our bow onto the edge panel like so. I'm going to use some glue to do this. And then once that is all stuck together, we can add it to our bag. And then you could add your tag to the other side with some coordinating ribbon. You could add some mirror behind here so that shines through the geometric panels. That is your geometrical gift bag all finished. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos and tutorials, please visit www.hunkydorycrafts.co.uk.